South Asia, and India in particular, is clearly one of the most populous countries on earth. It's an area where the LDS Church and many other religious groups have strong interests.
80% of the population here belongs to Hindu religion, but we have 175 million Muslims and we have 27 million Christians.
It is in many ways the cradle of many of the world's great religions, but it's been a place where there has been significant conflict about religion. We continue to see intense intercommunal rivalries. These often explode into violence. They're holding back the progress of India, and they're holding back opportunities for spreading the gospel, for other kinds of positive things that could be going on.
I'm sure we will see some good exchange of views, and I hope to see that this whole debate will throw up some important decisions which will become actionable steps in the days to come.
One of the things we've been trying to do, and this has worked successfully in other parts of the world, is to develop meaningful contacts with the people who run religion policy in the country. One of the ways we do that is by organizing conferences and building organizations that can have lasting impact and can help build a network of friends that will be able to help us and others in strengthening religious freedom in their countries. This past January, we had the opportunity to put together a major conference that brought together 2 sitting Supreme Court justices. We had a number of other justices, 5 vice chancellors of universities. This is like having 5 university presidents. And we had a range of scholars in many areas where religion is significant for the future of India, for the future of South Asia. If we can establish credible relationships with the scholars who are experts in countries on religion policy, they're in an excellent position to give advice to the governments both at the national and state levels in a place like India when new laws are being passed. And we've had experience in over 50 countries worldwide of being able to be drawn into legislative processes and thereby enhance the legal protection of religious freedom. Following that conference, working with one of our longtime friends, Tahir Mahmood, we were able to participate in the launch of the South Asian Consortium for Law and Religion Studies. Ultimately, this consortium will attract scholars working on religion issues from all of the South Asian countries. That enables us to have contacts with the people who are advising the governments, who are working on law reform issues, and who can really make a difference in policy in India and beyond. This has been a very exciting time to see coming together years of work to start building networks that can go on and can be lasting and can provide contacts that will help work with us and others on religious freedom throughout this region. Elder McConkie said that religious freedom is the most basic of all doctrines. Not that it's the most important, but it's the most basic because none of the others can function without freedom. So finding ways and finding people of goodwill that we can work on these issues with and people who understand the issues is critically important. And what we were seeing in India is the fruit of a decade of work to try and identify a broadening network of people who are concerned about these issues, who are arguing the cases in court, who are writing the books, who are writing the articles that will ultimately help anchor religious freedom into the country.